before solving this chapter, what we have to know is two things. First is angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Second thing is angle of depression. And third thing is line of sight. Suppose at this level this is your eye, so this is your line of sight. Now if you are seeing bird there, okay, so from the line of sight to that bird, the angle made is called the angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. And if here fish is there and you are trying to see that fish, then this angle is called angle of depression. Okay, now from question number first we are going to start. In question number first, it is mentioned that the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point at a distance 100 meter from the foot of horizontal plane is 60 degree. Okay, now so first of all we have to make a figure of the tower. Suppose the tower is AB, and from a point 100 meter from the foot of the tower, 100, suppose this distance is CBC is 100 meter, which is from the foot of the tower, making an angle 60 degree, making an angle 60 degree. Now this angle is 60 degree. Now what we have to find is, we have to find the height of the tower. Suppose this is h. So what we have to do is, we have to find tan theta. We know that tan theta is nothing but that is perpendicular upon base, which is AB by BC. AB by BC. AB is what, beta? AB is h, and BC is what, beta? BC is 100, and tan theta is 60 degree. Tan 60. We know that value of tan 60 is root 3. So here root 3 is equal to h by 100, and which is equal to 100 root 3 meter. So the height of the tower is 100 root 3 meter. Understood? Now question number 2. Question number 2 is given, beta. From a horizontal plane, a flag staff is there. Okay, suppose this is flag staff, and from the top of the flag staff, the angle of elevation from 150 meter far from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Okay, now we have to find now what is height of the flag staff, that is h. Now what we do, we know that tan theta is equal to perpendicular, that is AB by BC. Now AB is h, BC is 150, tan theta is tan 30 is root 3. Here we have to mention that tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay, this is h by 150. Okay, now cross multiply, you get this, which is equal to h. Now rationalize this by 3. Now this 3 and 15 will get cancelled out. 3 5 are 15, so it will become 50 root 3 meter. This is the height of the tower. To get the answer, what you have to do is, you have to put the value of root 3, that is 1.732, and multiply with 50, then you get the answer. Okay, question number 3. A string of a kite is 150 meter long and it make an angle 60 with horizontal. Find the height of the kite from the ground. So suppose this is kite and the length of the string is 150 meter and this is the height of the kite from the ground. Okay, it is making an angle 60 degree. Now we have to find height. So what is the relation between height and hypotenuse? Sorry, perpendicular and hypotenuse. You know that is 60 degree. Sine. So sine 60 is equal to perpendicular. Suppose it is AB and this is C. So that is AB by AC. Now AB is what beta? AB is H and AC is what? AC is 150 and sin 60 is what? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So height is root 3 by 2 into 150. Okay. Now this is 75, which is 75 root 3 meter. This is height. This is height of the tower. If the shadow of the tower is 30 meter when the sun's elevation is 30 degree, what is the length of the shadow when the sun's elevation is 60 degree? So suppose this is the tower and it is making 30 degree with the ground and the shadow is 30 meter. So what we have to do is we have to find the height from this. Okay, so how we find height? Suppose this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, and this is 90 degree. So we apply tan theta. Tan theta is what? Perpendicular upon base, that is AB by BC, and tan 30 is AB. AB is what? Height upon 30. Tan 30 is what beta? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 into 30, which is equal to H. This is 30 3 into root 3 by root 3 into H. Okay, so here 30 root 3 divided by 3, this will get cancelled out and you get 10 root 3 meter height. Okay, this is your answer. Sorry, this is the height of the tower. Now in the second part it is mentioned that if the angle of elevation is changed, means angle of elevation is now 60 degree and you know the height of the tower, which is 10 root 3. So we have to find the shadow. So suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, or A dash, B dash, or C dash. So tan 60 is perpendicular upon base, that is A dash B dash divided by B dash C dash. A dash B dash is what beta? 10 root 3 and B dash C dash is unknown. So tan 60 is root 3. Now B dash C dash is 10 root 3 divided by root 3. This will get cancelled out and you get 10 meter as the answer of the shadow when angle of elevation is 60 degree. Understood? Now in question number 5, it is given that the height of the tower is H and from the base of the tower 120 meter far away from the foot of the tower, angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 45 degree. So from here we can find the height of the tower. Okay, so tan 45 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base, which is AB by BC, which is H by 120 and this is equal to 1. So this is 120 meter, that is the height of the tower. Now it is mentioned in the question that how much higher should it be raised so that the angle of elevation at the same point may become 60 degree, means this distance is 120 meter. Okay, and this distance is unknown, which is H dash, and suppose this is A dash, B dash, and C dash. So tan 60 is equal to A dash B dash upon B dash C dash. So tan 60 is what? Tan 60 is root 3. A dash B dash is H dash and B dash C dash is 120 degree. then it become 20 root 3 h dash. So the height of the tower is 20 root 3 and before it is h. So the difference is what? Difference will give how much height will be raised. Now, to get the answer, what you have to do is you have to multiply with 1.732 into 120 so that you can get the answer. Okay.